Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Bhavita from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today explain about strategic brand management subject. My topic is brand identity. Meaning of brand identity. Brand identity is the way a brand is perceived by consumers and is made up by the visible and verbal elements that distinguish between the brand from its competitors. Importance of brand identity recognition. A strong brand identity helps consumers recognize and remember your brand among competitors. Consistent use of logos, colors, and messaging makes it easier for customers to identify and recall your brand. Trust and creditability. A well defined brand identity builds trust and creditability. It signals to customer that your business is professional and reliable, which can foster long term loyalty. Differentiation. It helps to differentiate your business from competitors. A unique and compelling brand identity can highlight what makes your products or services different and better. Emotional connection. A cohesive brand identity can create an emotional connection with consumers. It communications your brand values and personality, which can resonate with your target audience on a deeper level. Consistency. It ensures consistency across all marketing channels and customers touch points. Consistency reinforced your brand's message and values, leading to a stronger and more coherent brand image. Perceived value. A strong brand identity can enhance to perceived value of your product or services. It can position your brand as a premium option and justify higher prices. In essence, brand identity shapes how your business is perceived and can significantly influence customer decisions and loyalty. Brand advantages recognition and recall. A distinct brand identity helps consumer recognize and remember your brand more easily, making it more likely they will choose your products or services or over competitors. Trust and credibility. Consistent branding fosters trust and credibility. A well-defined brand identity uh, suggests stability and reliability, which can attract and retain customers. Emotional connection. A compelling brand identity can create an emotional connection with customers, leading to stronger loyalty and advocacy. Differentiation. It helps to differentiate your business from competitors by highlighting unique aspects of your offering, positioning your brand in the market. Customer loyalty. A strong brand identity encourages customer loyalty and repeat business as customers feel a connection to the brand's values and images. Premium pricing. Established brand with strong identities can often command higher price for their products or services due to perceived value. Effective marketing. A clear brand identity guides marketing strategies and communication, ensuring consistency across all platforms and messages. Employee employee moral and alignment. A well-defined brand identity can align and motivation of employees as they have a clear understanding of the brand values and mission. Disadvantages of brand. High cost. Developing and maintaining a strong brand identity can be expensive, involving cost for design, marketing, and brand management. Risk of segmentation. A rigid brand identity may becomes outdated if it is does not involve with a changing market trends or consumer preferences, potential leading to the segmentation. Over compassion on image, focusing too much on brand image might overshadow the actual product's quality or customer experience, leading to the mismatch between the promise and delivery. Complex rebranding. If a business needs to rebrand, changing a well established identity can be challenging and costly, potential causing confusion among existing customers. Consumer expectations. A strong brand identity can set high expectations. Failing to meet these expectations and lead to negative customers perceptions and damage the brand. Potential for alienation. A very specific brand identity might not appeal to a broader audience. Potential customers who don't connected with the brand's image or values. Vulnerability to criticism. A promotional brand identity can attract more clarity and criticism, marketing the brand more exposed to public opinion and potential backlash. Managing a brand identity requires balancing consistency with flexibility and ensuring it aligns with the actual value and experience provided by the business. The principles of brand identity are fundamental are creating a strong recognizable and effective brand are key principles to consider. Clarity. Your brand identity should clear convey what your brand stands for, including its mission, values, and unique selling points. This clarity helps in creating a coherent message and avoiding confusion among customers. Consistency. Consistent use of brand elements like logos, colors, fonts, and messaging across all platforms and materials, ensuring that your brand is easily recognizable and reinforceable its identity. Inconsistency can dilute your brand impact and confuse your audience. Differentiation. Your brand identity should highlight what makes your brand unique. It should set you apart from competitors and communicate your distinctive value proposition. Relevance. Your brand identity must be relevant to your target audience and resonate with their needs, performance, and values. It should align with what your audience expectations from your brand. Next point is simplicity. Next is authenticity, flexibility, visual impact. Thank you.